Formed in 2008, NADN is an invitation-only association of the nation's most experienced and respected civil trial mediators and arbitrators. The vast majority of our 900-plus members are attorneys and former judges who devote a significant percentage of their current practice to conflict resolution. Please note that most NADN members do not deal with disputes involving family law. All Academy members have been thoroughly vetted and found to meet stringent practice criteria. NADN has partnered with national legal associations, including the Defense Research Institute, and dozens of local state plaintiff and defense bar associations to survey litigators in order to identify the most widely trusted mediators and arbitrators in each state. As a result of this extensive research and the Academy's peer nomination and vetting process, only the most in-demand neutrals are invited to join the Academy's roster in each state. It's also important to note what NADN is not. NADN is neither a law firm nor a fee-charging panel organization. NADN does not oversee or administer cases in any way. The Academy is simply a professional association with an executive committee. Our overheads are covered by dues-paying members, which means that NADN is able to provide our database of America's premier ADR professionals to the legal community at no charge whatsoever. No administration, referral, or consultation fees. This unique approach has positioned NADN as the litigation sector's most trusted online neutrals roster. There are two ways in which the Academy's website can help litigators, in-house counsel, adjusters, and legal staff at no cost. First, searching for the ideal neutral. Sometimes a firm may need an arbitrator out in California who knows their way around major construction cases, or a mediator closer to home who can settle a multi-party case involving the messy dissolution of a family business. Perhaps counsel has a preference for a retired judge to attempt to settle a pre-suit securities matter. Our neutrals database at NADN.org couldn't be easier to use. If you're interested in pulling up a simple roster of members by state, visit Member Directory. Just click the state of interest and browse the roster for all Academy members serving that state. Clicking a name takes you through to that member's bio, including their available dates calendar, and contact info. From there, you can make direct contact with this neutral with your case inquiry. If you'd prefer to do a more in-depth search for the ideal neutral for your particular case, click Neutral Search. Here, you can specify various criteria, including state, ADR practice, case expertise, and so on. The search results contain only those members that meet your specific requirements. And because of NADN's strict vetting procedure, firms can be assured that they'll only see the names of attorneys well established in their mediation or arbitration practice with a minimum of either 200 mediations or 20 arbitrations to final award for each Academy member. Another industry first is the way in which NADN.org has helped thousands of litigators and support staff expedite scheduling of mediations and arbitrations in recent years. Most litigators have a go-to list of local mediators they've worked with in the past, and 90% of the time, they or their staff will refer to one of these reliable names for upcoming mediations. That's where NADN's online calendar functionality comes in handy. Over 80% of our members publish their available dates calendars online via the NADN server. This has proven to be a terrific time saver for litigation firms. If you know the neutral whose available dates calendar you'd like to view, just navigate straight to their page. To schedule an appointment online directly with that member's office, just click your preferred date and submit the appointment request form. You'll receive a personal email from that Academy member's office, usually within the hour, confirming your appointment and case details. Sometimes your choice of mediator might come down to a scheduling issue. The attending parties are hard to pin down, and the only date which works for everyone just now is September 18th. Which one of the go-to mediators from the local area is available that date? Just visit your home state via the Member Directory map and select Compare Available Dates. On the Date Selector page, just click your preferred date. The resulting list confirms which neutrals are available for your must-have date. As most business is local, thousands of legal staff across the U.S. simply bookmark their local NADN state chapter website to expedite scheduling in this same way, saving hours of scheduling phone tag. And in 2018, more than 100,000 appointment request emails were sent through our NADN server by more than 8,000 individual law offices across the USA. The National Academy of Distinguished Neutrals, America's premier mediators and arbitrators, online.